Hello, and thank you for choosing Sherman Oaks Medical Supplies for your mobility needs. Today we are going to be showing you the new Pride Jazzy Passport Folding Travel Power Chair. This unit is lightweight, weighing 53 pounds without the battery and 60 pounds with the battery. On a full charge, this unit will take you up to 9.6 miles and has a top speed of 3.6 miles per hour. To turn the unit on, simply press the top power button. Below, you will find the unit's horn. Finally, you will see the speed adjustment settings below to control how fast you will be going. Now, we will begin the folding process of this unit. First, fold back the footrest and remove the seat cushion. From there, you will simply pinch the yellow tabs behind the seat to release the lock. Push down until you hear a click to confirm it is locked. To open the unit back up, pinch the yellow tabs once again and pull the seat up until you hear a click confirming that the unit has locked. Fold down the footrest and put the seat cushion back on. To steer the unit, use the touch-sensitive joystick in the direction you would like to go. The hand control is also adjustable to whichever position is most comfortable for the user.